Hey Comets! Good Friday morning to you. Hope you weathered the storm okay last night. Well, another week, our last full week of learning. It's kind of hard to believe. Wanted to make sure I did a shout out to Vincent. It's his birthday today, so happy birthday, Vincent. Here's the song.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
I also wanted to show you a little montage of time I went back to the building yesterday to clean out my room for the summer. If you're like me, I haven't been back to the building in quite a while. It was kind of weird. Definitely weird for it to be so empty. So anyway, in case you're missing the room, you can watch this clip and see what it looks like. Hasn't changed much. So we're at the school. This is the first time I've been here in 2 months, almost to the day. It's kind of crazy, surreal. We're going to go in and work in my classroom. So this is normally where I would go in on a day like today, but all the gates are locked, so I'm going to have to find a different entrance. So I guess you could say I'm going in the back door, literally, making my way up to the very back of the school. Seems surreal. Get my key here. I haven't used the key to this building in a long time. Almost that feeling of, is it going to work? There we go. Back to CNA. Not sure if I should use my sleeve to open the door or not. There we go. There's the hallway. About the same. Down to the classroom. Alright, so middle school hallway. Here we are. Okay, gonna go down to the classroom. You can see all the lockers have been opened. A lot of you already picked up your stuff. Here we are. Pretty crazy. Kind of like we left it. Here it is. Good old D18. Okay. Hope I have the right key. There it is. It's like nothing's changed. That is unreal. Alright, now I gotta get to clean it for the summer. Woo! So getting packed up, almost done, and I shot a few videos, just couldn't help but use the space one more time. Alright, well, got everything packed up. Hard to believe. And we are going to sign out for another school year. Now, Brayden, still got some learning to do. But as far as the classroom goes, we'll see you 2019, 2020. Here's to the next year. Hopefully it goes a little better. Anticlimactic, trying to get the keys out. Did I get everything? Okay, I do that every time. It's like, oh, I forgot my lunch. Okay. Well, thanks for the memories this year, D18. We'll see you again next year. Alright, Bye. Well, as always, comments, I hope you're doing well. Hope you're taking care of yourselves, taking care of your family, and helping around the house. I will see you next week. Bye.